Oh shit, here we go again.
Okay, thank you.
But look at Toronto the other day when the Raptors got to the finals. The whole city was on fire. Everyone was going crazy. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but we weren't burning people alive, or not burning.
Home of the East Conference champions. Let's go inside and see what's going on, man. Yeah, so me and Skylar, we landed. We're in Toronto, we're in the airport. Let's get the show on the road, bro. He's like, yeah, cool. Let's get it. Alright, so what, we going train station, yeah? Alright, so we just hit the city. I feel like I'm in New York, no lie.
Like at the end, they tell you, oh, you need this.
Yeah, man, like lugging these suitcases around for like an hour and stuff. What time you got, bro?
4:30.
4:30. Fuck. Wagwan. So yeah, we're here at the apartment, just waiting for the guy to come and bring us the keys. He said he's gonna be here for 6 o'clock. It is now 6 o'clock. We've got Skylar on the phone to his missus.
She gonna take it?
And yeah, man.
Yeah.
Just need to get in there, have a shower, have a couple of drinks, and hit the road again, really.
Oh my word.
It's a nice little cul-de-sac, a nice little area.
Yeah.
I will show you. Okay, so this apparently is the building we're going to be staying in. I don't know what floor, but as you can see, inside.
I don't know how that happened.
So yeah, man, it's not too bad. Nice little area. The city is lovely, man. It's like, it reminds me of, it's like a mix of New York and London, but more New York. Alright, so this is the apartment. It's nice still, it's high up. Well, what floor are we on, cuz?
28.
What?
28.
28th floor?
Yeah, man, 28th floor.
Shit. Alright, let me just, before I even give you the tour of the apartment, let me just, you know, make sure I don't drop my camera. Hang tight to Toronto Raptors, hope they win tomorrow. This whole city will be buzzing if they do. But yeah, let me show you the apartment anyway. Kitchen / dining room. The downstairs bathroom and shower. Then we got my room up here. Yeah. Got a balcony. You can see down into the front room, living room, whatever you call it. Some kind of exercise contraption, which I can't figure out what the fuck it is. I'm not even gonna try and use that. I feel like I'll break it. Alright, so on our way to where we're trying to go, we just so happened to pass the Toronto sign, so might as well pay it a visit. So wait, see what direction are we, wait, so where, we gotta cut through, yeah? Yeah. Alright, cool. I don't even know what the Raptors score is right now, but my spidey senses are saying that they're up.
Do you want to know the score?
Yeah, it doesn't matter at this point. What's the score? With basketball, yeah, the scores There's very little consequence this early.
And this is a big 15 night.
Even that,
Yeah.
bro. Big leads can be eaten away at very quickly, bro. In basketball, bro. You could be up by 7, but with like 3 minutes to go, and you could lose the game, bro. Yeah. 7 points is nothing.
It's second quarter.
Okay, it's early second quarter.
6 minutes 22. Is that into it or
I know that's how much time has passed.
That's part. It's 6
Yeah.
minutes in second quarter.
What's the score?
38-26.
Yeah, that's nothing. Who's leading?
Bucks.
Okay, cool. Raptors in 6. Don't know. Spitting bars. Bars. The city is a vibe though. It's like the vibe. The vibes right now are electric. You get me? Everyone's watching the game. Everyone's fixated on the game. Yeah. Would you predict tonight? Do you reckon they'll win?
No.
No, yeah. Don't let them hear you say that, bro. Well, you don't think they even go through to the next round? You think Bucks will take the whole thing, yeah?
I don't know.
Bucks in 7, yeah?
I don't know.
Nah, my Raptors in 6, cuz. This whole city's a vibe. Like Raptors gone to the finals.
Does that work? Does that work?
What, lit?
I said it's lit, man.
Man them. Man them. Wow, look, the whole city's just going nuts. Never seen nothing like it. The vibe is so crazy right now. Like, it's just wild, like. Mad. Kawhi Leonard, your chest. So yeah, today's like the calm after the storm. Yesterday, as you know, Raptors got to the finals to face the Warriors. I got my Kawhi Leonard jersey. So yeah, today I want to go to the stadium or the arena, whatever they call it, and definitely want to go Kensington Market. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, so yeah, we're here at the Scotiabank Arena where the Raptors play. Let's go inside, man, see what he's saying. Go and pay homage to the East Conference champions, man. Let's do it. Inside the Scotiabank Arena, home of the Toronto Raptors. paying homage. It's got to be done, innit? I mean, they've done something great here, something they've never done in their whole history of the team. So you know, have to respect that. Have to respect that. Alright, so we're gonna make our way to Kensington Market right now. So we've done the whole Scotiabank Arena, Toronto Raptors Arena thing. Let's go to the market and see what all the fuss is about. Yeah. So yeah, we're here, bro. Kensington Market. It's a bit of a vibe.
Camden Market.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's similar to Camden Market, bro. Apparently some nice restaurants, vibes going on, you know. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah. Let the video speak for itself, innit? It's all going off.
Last night, I walked 72k.
In what space of time?
No, from Monday to Monday.
Come on, bro, the right way.
From Monday to last Sunday to now.
75k.
72k.
Alright. It's a new day, it's a new dawn, it's a new day. And today is Niagara Falls Day. And if these lot are not outside, bro, I'm gonna be on your back, fam. I'm gonna be on your back, cuz. But yeah, today we're gonna go Niagara Falls, see one of the wonders of the world. See one of the wonders of the world. You looking forward to Niagara Falls? Have you always wanted to go there as a kid, yeah?
No, I've done about as a kid, but yeah. Since I learned about travelling, then yeah, it's one of those places I would have been here.
So yeah, there you have it. So we're gonna go there today.
I don't know.
See what it's all about. See what the hype is about. It ain't gonna front. It's one of them places that not like I've always wanted to go, but it's one place where I thought I would definitely like to go there. And now I have the chance, so let's see. We're just waiting for the minibus. Skylar's been rushing me all morning because he thinks they're gonna be here on time, and I told him that the life doesn't work like that. And now look, we're here waiting for them.
That's me. He could be around the corner.
Yeah, but he gave me the address. He should be here, or he should be messaging you saying where are you or anything. So there you go. Is that it? Is that them? Is that them? They're stopped. See? Yeah, that is them, I think.
A mile. We'll do a quick stop there. It's a nice fresh stop and first thing in the morning, and then we go to the other side of Hamilton. We'll go to Devil's Punch Bowl waterfall. That's an overlook waterfall, and there's a bakery across the street from that where we can stop for a little mid-morning break. And then after that, we'll get on our way to Niagara's wine country, and we'll do some day drinking. And then we'll hit lunch and then Niagara. So.
Day drinker, that's on it.
Family of trees won't be hung. Control yourself.